Hey folks, I'm Anna from the Boathouse. Today we're going to talk to you about anti-fouling paint, also known as bottom paint. It is applied to prevent growth of organisms attached to the hull, which could affect the vessel's speed, performance, and durability. Here at the Boathouse, we use an antimicrobial paint. We start the process by soaking the vessel in the water for a day or two. This gives us proper water line to adjust paint level. From there, the hull prep starts by roughing the hull exterior. We do that so that the paint properly adheres to the vessel. After that is complete, the vessel is ready for 2 coats of primer and 2 coats of paint. There are certain time frames and weather conditions that help for proper application. Bottom paint is normally maintained yearly to ensure protection of the vessel hull due to its ablative properties. If you have any further questions on anti-fouling paint or application, please give us a call at the Boathouse. We're here to help with all your boating needs. I'm Anna from the Boathouse. Like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the water.